Greetings, fellow travelers and riders. It's time for a Ferris wheel ride here at Worlds of Fun. They've got an old-fashioned Ferris wheel. It's called the Skyliner behind us. There's the Skyliner sign, and you just walk up this little hill right up here, and then the Ferris wheel is going to be to the left. So a lot of people, I feel like they don't know where to find it. It's just up here. It does like get all nice and lit up at night. The Patriot's right next to it over there. So if you see a long line at the Patriot, and you want to just jump on a quick ride, the Skyliner's right here. We'll see you when we get on the wheel. All right. You got a belt there?
That's you. He's pull on it like a car seat though.
Oh. Okay.
There we go.
Alright. We are in it. Skyliner.
It's on my knee.
It's the old-fashioned Ferris. And we'll see how she runs. So if you're joining us for this one, we will have to say that there is a double wheel Ferris wheel ride we did at the State Fair, Illinois, a couple years back. It was like the most terrifying Ferris wheel ride we've been on.
Oh yes, for sure.
And this one's really smooth.
It is.
It's near miss element.
A little stomach drop.
Oh no, I wasn't feeling it in the stomach yet.
I did.
Really?
That first round, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's a lot of fun when you're up here. Just up at the top.
Oh,
and
there
right
goes
there.
those people.
Yeah. And the
Yep,
Superman
right there,
swing
right there. Again.
Really, it's a good time, actually. I really like I like a good sturdy Ferris wheel. This one feels sturdy to me, you know. Sometimes when they take them apart and put them back together, you know, all the time they travel around. It's like, yeah, and they have to do every part of it every time. But this one feels nice and solid. It's got a little bit of rust, but not bad.
Nice view of Patriot.
Yeah, Patriot's right next to us. Mamba's off in the distance. That's the detonator drop tower, and we're gonna get stopped up top. Oh wait, we go backwards?
Oh.
We're going backwards? No, okay.
I think they're just unloading.
Just settling in. Very cool. I haven't seen Mamba running just yet. They're still testing it. It's going up the track over there, but there's nobody on it. I don't know if you can see that far. There's the train down there, the Worlds of Fun Railway. Number 33 engine. Patriot's zooming around on the right, and then there's downtown Kansas City off in the distance. Spinning Dragons is over behind us. They have a spinning coaster. We haven't been on that one yet, and we'll check that one out. And really, it's a nice day. We've got a little bit. Oh, there's people on it, Becky.
There are.
Yeah.
Oh.
There's people on Mamba. Mamba's open again.
Oh.
So we'll.
There was the stomach drop.
That's the hyper coaster they've got here. We'll get on that one for everybody. And I gotta say, I had a nice ride.
It was.
It's a good length. Oh, is she letting us out?
I think so.
Did we jump the gun on the seatbelt?
No.
Okay. Act like we just undid it. Perfect.
How was it?
Great. We had a great ride. They're always fun.
Every day, guys.
Thank you. Okay. All right, Skyliner Ferris wheel. You know, I had a great little ride on it. It's a nice,
Yeah.
relaxing ride.
It
You
is.
do get a little bit of a drop around the top, but all in all, it's a classic. They still have one here. I would say ride it at night when it's lit up. That might be make it a little bit more.
Interesting.
Yeah, interesting to see because it's just covered in lights and it's really, it's really well maintained. Honestly, maybe it could use a little paint, but other than that, it ran smooth.
It did.
I had a nice ride on it, and I hope you enjoyed it. And we'll see you all very soon on the next one. Bye, fellow travelers.